Hello everyone, this is Emma. Believe it or not, Hobby Lobby is already have their Christmas decorations out. The beautiful flock trees. The decorations, and they are 40% off. I guess you have to head over and get ahead of it or you might miss out. Wow, it's already that time of year. And me, I love Christmas, so I will be doing 5 to 6 trees. I'm liking the plaid, the black and white plaid. I think I may try that one this year. Everything red. And wow, this color is beautiful. In fact, I bought a tree this year that's just a dress, but it's a Christmas tree. And it has, I think the dress is about this color. So I will be coming here to get the ornaments for it. Beautiful. Then we're gonna go over here and get into the gold ornaments. As I said, 40% off. It's always best to shop early because everything goes so quickly when it comes to Christmas decorations. I always do the white decorations on a couple of my trees. And I call them a white Christmas. Purchased a lot of the Hobby Lobby items last year. So, and at the end of the season, I always go back and get more. That's the best time to buy your Christmas decoration because the deals are unbelievable. This is Emma. I want to thank you for coming and shop with me today. And I hope I've given you some ideas on your Christmas decor. To the design family, thank you for coming back on and joining me today. If you're not a part of the design family, I wish you would hit that like and subscribe. And I will be seeing you in my next video.